All right, welcome to Piano with Mr. Wright. Today I would like to teach you the major scale. We're going to start off with the C major scale, okay? I'm going to show you right hand, and then I'm going to show you left hand, and then eventually show you how to put it together, okay? Now, the key is we want to think about numbers, because the number pattern that I'm going to give you today is used by over half of the major scales on the piano. And this is very important. So once you learn this pattern with your fingers, then it's going to help you greatly with over half of the key signatures that you play on piano. This is very, very helpful. Okay, the pattern is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. Tuck the thumb under, you rotate, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I was only doing one octave, I would play the pinky finger and then reverse it. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, okay? So it's the same numbers in pattern going upward or downward. Let's do that again. C major scale, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to end with the 5, reverse it, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now, you can do 2 octaves instead. Let's see if my hand will go far enough or out of room. So I'm going to start an octave down so you can see it on the video, okay? Same pattern though, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuck thumb again. 1, 2, 3, tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to end with the 5. Now I'm going to reverse it with the exact same finger numbers in reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle finger over. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to continue now. So the fourth finger, I rotate, have my arm and wrist help me out a little bit. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to do it slowly, non-stop right hand. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. There you go. There's your C major pattern, okay? Now we'll do the left hand. The left hand, the finger numbers are exactly the same. Let's see if we can see all the way down to this C. We can. Good. So I'm going to use these 2 octaves. The finger pattern is exactly the same in the left hand, but the number pattern will be the same going down, etc. Okay? So left hand will be 1, 2, 3. Tuck thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do that again. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuck thumb. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the same number pattern as I had on the right hand, but going upward. Okay, let's do that again, going downward left hand. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse it with the exact same finger numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle finger. 3, 2, 1. Ring finger. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Very, very important you use this fingering, and if you use some random fingering, whatever, you're going to get kind of messed up, because eventually you want to be able to use 2 hands together, and you want your body to know exactly what fingers to go to. There it is, C major scale, and we'll teach you some of the other ones another day.